Yo, lighting's real bad, but we had a issue with the car. The expansion tank blew up on me and I'm like 20 minutes from home. And my man's Connor decided to save me. It's been a real blessing. This is where you can see all my coolant issue. This is a real bad problem with Beamers. My goal was to do the whole coolant overhaul system with this. I'm still waiting on parts for it. I'm kind of just boned right now. We got some Flex Seal and we're gonna see if Flex Seal can fix a radiator leak right now.
We'll see. We'll see.
So what in the video, I'll pop it up right here. It looked like the cap was just exploded, but like when I take the threads off, it's like perfectly fine. I can't see any cracks, but hopefully we're just gonna flex seal the cap. We're gonna look for some cracks on the side, flex seal that, and then if there is any, I don't see any though, then super glue the cap with some Flex Seal glue, and hopefully I make it home. We've been using this a lot recently. How good is this? How well do you recommend this?
You know, I think it should work. It should work.
Yeah, I don't see any cracks. Now that I got this headlamp, you can really see it all. We should just fill it up and see if it leaks. We don't got a whatever, so. Always distilled water. No bubbles. So it's the cap. Yeah, it would bubble, right?
Yeah, most definitely.
Why?
In the middle.
Oh, you think it's broke? Oh, that's not good. No way.
Yeah, look.
No. I think it's.
You sure?
It's just hot still.
No, but I mean, you've been chilling for a minute though.
Yeah, but not that minute.
I mean.
You want to give it some light revs? I'm gonna put this bench on.
Cut it?
I mean, I just put the cap on. See if something happens. Should I flex seal it? Should we flex seal it to be safe, actually? Actually, let's cut it and let's check my coolant.
Yeah.
Or not my coolant, my Will Flex Seal save the day? I guess we'll find out. It says that it's good up to 250 degrees or 200 degrees. So a radiator usually runs around that. So hopefully that's the answer. And Flex Seal saves the day. We'll give you updates if we make it home or not. All right, moment of truth. Okay, I mean, I'm stuck at this right now. We're starting to send, for sure. Alright, little update. We made it back to the house. Car did not overheat. We bled it. And so far it's solid. So it's flex tape for the win. Alright, it's 50 degrees right now, but it feels like 45. We're at the shop right now. We got some Chick-fil-A. One of my man's Con. Gage. What are you doing here? This man got no business being here. We got a header leak is what we learned. I think it's a header leak. I'm praying it's a header leak and not like a downpipe leak because I'm already committed to taking off bolts already. We're waiting on the shop to open up because bro forgot the key.
Key forgot me.
That's what happened. The key forgot him. Get this all pretty and ready for the next event. I don't know when the next event is. Tracks around here close during the winter, which this doesn't really make sense because I feel like winter is when you should drive the best and it doesn't snow here. But
It's about to.
It is what it is. We're just basically getting this car dialed in, fixing all the little issues that I had with it. So I had the header leak. Next, after I paint the bumper, will be the cooling system And so we're gonna get to work on that right now.
Look at sexy ass. Hold on.
How you doing down there, buddy?
I got it.
I've learned there's not a lot of room in BMWs, and there's not a lot of room in BMWs, and so we're still struggling on getting these headers out. Bus is here for moral support.
Moral support from.
Oh, alright, guys, we're finally gonna add some aero, make this car look a lot prettier now.
Just got a new bumper. It's an M3 replica bumper I got off eBay, whatever. Just to see how I like the fitment and everything like that.
I'm not really a fan of this front end and these wheels, so I'm looking at wheels, seeing which ones I should be getting. Just picked up the bumper, so I'm going to be sanding and prepping that, getting that ready for paint. I'm honestly so hyped to start making this car look pretty. I feel like the E36 just lacks style. We're going to sand this down. I think we're going to start with wet sand 800, hit it with some gray Scotch-Brite. After that, should be ready for paint. It's pretty simple. Yo, this bumper is not actually looking like a bad bumper. It's not a fiberglass and it's not that KBD stuff. It feels kind of like the OEM plastic. It came with some side markers, which is nice. The grill, some bolts for the grill. All right, today's the day we're painting the M3 bumper that I just unboxed. What we're doing is just spraying it down, cleaning it, making sure there's no chemicals or anything on it so the paint doesn't react to anything. So this right here is a paint matcher, so we can match the paint perfectly, so I won't, you know how you see all those cars are like,
It won't be perfect, but
good enough. It is a 90-year-old car with a lot of paint fade, but this gets it pretty accurate, and then so I won't have like a completely mismatching car. It's testing, telling you what color it is, measuring. I have no idea what's going on.
so it's just taking like little
Photos.
data collections to try and get the best paint codes for it.
So it's out with this old man. This thing was so just needed retirement. And in with the new. Oh man, hopefully this makes it look so much better. I still got to put on the mesh a little bit better. The clips on this bumper is not really clipping that well. So I'm gonna go and grab some like silicone or something like that. And so I can put the grill on. So it goes right in the middle. And then also, I got these things too that came with the bumper, and I have no idea what these go to. Like, did they go to this, like this? Hopefully it'll just bolt right up. All right, the bumper is on, and I think it looks so good. Look at this. It completely changes the car. We still couldn't figure out the side clip markers, so it kind of like has this to it. And it's weird, it was just like all 4 pins. There's really no bolts. But whatever, I'll end up fixing that later. I'm just kind of excited that it's on. We're gonna wash down the car and then hopefully go get some rollers.
Keep my eyelids low, I'm a scumbag. I could die right now, but it's fuck that. I've been going too dumb, I ain't done yet. I don't really give a fuck what they think about me. I'ma do my shit, get a whole bag. Ice melt in my cup full of Hennessy. Tryna keep away voices in my head. Gold teeth, Louis V, hold up my jeans. For school, bitch, my teacher couldn't cop that. Little shawty love me every time that I sing. I'm a pretty little demon, no, goddamn.